Corsicana High School's welding program of study focuses on the development and use of automatic and computer-controlled machines, tools, and robots that perform work on metal or plastic. Students will learn how to modify parts to make or repair machine tools or maintain individual machines, and how to use hand welding and flame cutting equipment. There are 3 routes a student can take in our welding program. The first 2 classes, regardless of what route is taken, are the same courses. In the 9th grade, students will take Introduction to Welding, where they will earn a certification. During the sophomore year, all students will take Welding 1. When students reach their junior year, they have 3 routes they can take for welding. The first route is simply just to finish the high school coursework. If they choose this route, they'll take Welding 2 their junior year to complete the program of study. The other 2 options for welding are through the dual credit program with Navarra College. Students the junior year can choose between industrial maintenance or production welding. Both of these programs lead to Level 1 certificates. The Production Welding Level 1 certificate prepares them for employment in the metal and construction trade. This is a field that continues to grow and is very much in demand with a high wage potential. Students will gain experience and competencies in all major welding, cutting, and fabrication theory and processes. The program includes classroom instruction and hands-on training in metal trades, including safety, blueprint reading, metallurgy, power sources, tools and materials, welding and layout, and fitting techniques. The Industrial Maintenance Program focuses on the development and use of automatic and computer-controlled machines, tools, and robots that perform work on metal and plastic. Students in this program will learn how to modify parts to make or repair machine tools or maintain individual machines, and how to use hand welding and flame cutting equipment. Regardless of the dual credit program chosen, after high school, students would need to continue the coursework at Navarra College to finish the Level 1 certificate, or they may choose to continue on toward an Associates of Applied Science degree with Navarra College. To qualify for dual credit, students must have good grades, attendance, and no discipline issues. They must also have a recommendation from a principal, a counselor, and a core level teacher.